Do you ever realize and think deeply how our children communicate, the language they use, and certain nuanced behaviors that they do? For example, I spoke about anger, how it has become normalized in most of the household. But is anger the only emotion that we should worry about? There are a host of emotions that we as parents we need to think of. Every single month when a child is growing up after 7 years of age is critical. Build the foundation of how that child will eventually turn into an adult. Anger, aggression, sadness, loneliness, complex of inferiority, superiority. There are list of emotions that I know, you know, that eventually will become integrating part of your child. Are you doing something about it? Or do you think something needs to be done? And if yes, how and when? Because by the time these behavior gets cemented and they become strong personality suits of a child at the age of 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, it's difficult to change these behaviors. And you know it as parent that a behavior has started, when a child raises his voice in a way that you didn't expect him to. There's some learning that you can pass on to him. There's something foundational code that you can write at that point in time. I request parents to do something about it. We are growing in a society which is getting complex each day. Internet, the society has become complex. Expectations are rising every single year. A child is expected to become a Superman. And in the process, we might lose sometimes the genius in the child, the sensitivity of the child. I request as parents, give a thought to it. myEQ is just an effort in this direction. We have brought an important course for children 7 years and above to integrate in them emotional intelligence. If every child knows how to use their emotion intelligently, don't you think when they grow up, they will become a special child, a good human being, and above all, a good leader? A good leader's quality essentially integrate all the positive emotions. Think about it. We are here to help you. Visit our website, look at our courses. Don't compromise something as foundational as building the right code for your children in their emotions. I hope as parent you will give heed to it. Register for a free demo. Give us a chance to help your child grow emotionally intelligent.